Have you ever hosted a family gathering or summer party only to realize you've run out of ice halfway through? Or maybe you're tired of constantly refilling tiny freezer ice trays that never seem to keep up with daily use. If that sounds familiar, this smart countertop ice maker might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today, we're checking out the GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker, a portable ice machine designed for busy households, home bars, RV owners, campers, and anyone who wants fresh ice on demand without waiting for the freezer. What makes this model stand out isn't just how quickly it makes ice. It's the combination of smart app controls, Alexa compatibility, self-cleaning functionality, and efficient performance that makes everyday life a little more convenient. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. From the moment you set it on the counter, the GoveeLife Ice Maker feels modern and well-built. The stainless steel finish gives it a clean, premium appearance that blends nicely into most kitchens without looking bulky or industrial. Despite being portable, it feels solid enough for everyday use, and the compact footprint means it won't take over your countertop. The controls are simple to understand, even if you've never owned an ice maker before, and the included ice scoop fits neatly into the overall design. It looks like a small appliance that's meant to stay out instead of being hidden away after every use. Where this machine really earns its place is during everyday use. After filling the water reservoir, it starts producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes. That makes a noticeable difference when you're entertaining guests, filling water bottles after a workout, or simply making iced coffee in the morning. Instead of planning hours, you can have fresh ice ready while you're preparing everything else. Over the course of a full day, it can produce up to 26 pounds of ice, which is more than enough for most families and small gatherings. One of my favorite features is the smart connectivity. Through the GoveeLife app, you can start or schedule ice production before you even walk into the kitchen. If you're coming home from work or preparing for guests, having fresh ice waiting for you is surprisingly convenient. Alexa compatibility takes things one step further by allowing simple voice commands, making it feel like a genuinely smart home appliance instead of just another countertop gadget. The app also sends notifications when the water reservoir needs refilling or when the ice basket is full, so you don't have to keep checking on it yourself. Another nice touch is the ability to choose between 3 different ice cube sizes. Smaller cubes work well for soft drinks and quick cooling, while larger cubes are better for juices, iced coffee, or keeping beverages colder for longer. Since the bullet-shaped ice doesn't stick together as easily as some traditional cubes, it's easier to scoop and serve throughout the day. Cleaning is often overlooked with appliances like this, but GoveeLife makes the process refreshingly simple. The built-in self-cleaning cycle takes around 10 minutes and can be started directly from the control panel or through the app. That means less manual scrubbing and more confidence that your ice stays clean and fresh. As with any ice maker, it's still a good idea to dry the interior before long-term storage, but routine maintenance is quick enough that it won't become a hassle. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The biggest strengths are the fast ice production, smart controls, energy-efficient operation, and user-friendly maintenance. It performs exactly the way most people expect a modern countertop ice maker to perform. On the downside, this machine stores a relatively small amount of ice at one time, so during larger parties you'll want to empty the basket periodically to keep production moving. It's also designed for countertop convenience rather than long-term ice storage, so unused ice will gradually melt and be recycled back into the system. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. And if you're ready to stop waiting for freezer trays and enjoy fresh ice whenever you need it, check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.